Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ankita Khushi Art. Today's video I'm going to tell you my favorite art supply which I use for my paintings. I will tell you what I generally use all artist supplies in my oil work. As we know, oil painting can be very expensive. I will tell you first how you can save money on painting. I will never tell you to sacrifice quality to be discussed. This video help you to save money so that you can invest more money on the initial product like paintbrush and surface. Because rich quality is very important. I am thinking about paintbrush and the surface. Let's start with the minimal requirement you need in paintings. If you don't have anything yet and looking to start painting, this video cover it all. Let's start with brushes. As I said before, oil painting can be very expensive, so I will tell you how you can save money on painting. The brushes you need can depending on style and size of your painting, but the minimal starting set can be at least 7 to 8 brushes, flat and round brushes, filter brush, large and small brushes, medium sized brush, and last but not least, detailing brush. These all brushes are really inexpensive. Make sure it's good quality. This detailing brush are little expensive, but you can also use these brushes. They are also very useful for start. They are inexpensive and easily you can get from any art supply shop. Most important things to take care of your brushes: wash them properly, but don't be too harsh because they will become too rough if you wash too hard. Now spatula. I have all these in a small, large and in a different size and shape. I use this one because this is perfect and enough for mixing color. Let's talk about paint. There are many different brands available in market. I don't encourage to use of a student range or low quality range of paint. You should always prefer extra fine paint. Paint is expensive, but it is necessary. If you want to save money on paint and by the strict minimum, you have to choose solution. Let's talk about the surface, means your canvas. The last thing to consider, not the least, is the quality of your surface. It's very important. Ask your retailer about the quality of different canvases, but usually I suggest you for the cheap pre-stretched canvas. I'm not an expert on this subject and I don't really know what makes good surface, but I'm mostly relying on manufacturer I know. Help you to save little bit money. Good canvas is always expensive, but it's little bit less if you buy pre-stretch. Some artists also buy the raw canvas and do the primer themselves. This is artist oil color pad in A4 size. It's also good when you are using oil color first time, and it's very nice and it's something you deal with, so go for it. Now that you had everything you knew to start painting with oil, I'm going to give you a few tips that you can use save money on the low run. As I said before, saving should only come from avoiding waste and using material recently. Use the right quality of paint. If you manage to waste, you end up saving a lot of money. So don't trust too hard on your paint tube. If you prepared your palette, most of it will dry up on your palette or could waste. Think about how much each pigment you need and don't take more than what you need. It's a good idea have a plan for your work. If you make colors, study before you had much better idea how much you need for your palette. Also try to set up your palette for you one setting. Don't mix all your paint with medium if you are not sure that you are using the same day. Now let's talk about the mediums. There are many brands of medium, but I use Camel Artist Linseed Oil. It's come in 100 ml. Next, Artist Picture Varnish. This is also 100 ml and it's very good for start. And last but not least, Turpentine. It is little smelly, so if you want you can use this of other brand. You can also use these brands of medium. These are also very nice, and in this you will get blending and glazing medium, drying linseed oil, linseed stand oil, artist painting medium, and many more. But these are little expensive, so I will not recommend this product when you are starting oil painting first time. So for your start, this medium will be best to use. Don't waste medium. Sometimes you can see artists pour a huge quantity mediums in a container. What a waste. This is a small container. As you know, solvent evaporates with time. So you prepare too much one, then don't use it. It might be not useful in 6 months. So what I do, I keep it in a small quantity in a little container or bottle. It's very helpful. These are the basic requirements for starting the painting. Hope it helps you to know what supplies are required for starting oil paintings.